I'm going to share my screen here. And I want a confirmation from everyone. Are you all able to see the screen? Let me take you to the last class, what we have learned. So we are going to start with a new topic today. And before we start, let's understand what was covered in the last class. In the last class, we have learned about string manipulating and formatting. Okay, I want everyone to be active in the chat. So strings, okay? I'm going to write a word here and you're going to let me know which one is a string and which one is not a string. So your option is A, B, and C.
Google stuff.
So what all are string here?
Collab, Google Collab.
You have 4 options. You can write down what all are your correct answers. I got only one reply. Don't write the answer. Just give me the option. Is it option A, B, C, D? Okay. What all are the correct answers? Write it down in the chat, please, everyone. Which one is a string? Only 4 answers. What happened to others? Okay, I'm going to tell the answers, everyone. The correct answer here is option A and option C. Whatever you're writing in the quotations, this quotations is called as a string. Whatever it might be, it can be a word, a character, a special symbol, or a number. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. I can see that most of you have given the correct answers. There was only okay, you have given most of them. What maximum everyone have given the correct answers. Okay, I hope the topic was clear. Let's move on. Okay, and also we have completed this example in the last class, how to write a string and how to join both the strings together and make a one word. So we were using this join command and also the addition symbol to join them both. Okay, today we are going to start with a new topic named control flow
Yeah, that was so that we're
if
going
and
to the
else
Collab.
statement. Maxwell, can you please mute yourself? Okay, we are going to start with a new topic here today. The name here is control flow if and else statement. If, else. If, elif, else. It's okay if you were not there in the last class. At the end of the session, I will be sharing the document, and the document covers all the classes, like from the beginning, from the class 1 till the class today, what all we have discussed. You can just go through it once. Okay, I think I also shared it in the chat. Let me share you here. You can just check this out. Okay, so this document contains all the sessions and all the things what we have done in the last classes till now. Okay, so today we are going to learn about if else condition, if, elif, else conditional statements. Okay, we call them as a control flow, or else we can also call them as a condition statements. There are some conditions to which we are having some statements. Okay, conditions and then the statements. Now here, let me pick up someone from the group. Okay, we have Cinderella. Cinderella, is your mic working? The mic and the camera? If yes, let me know. Turn on your camera and also unmute yourself. I wanted to ask you a question. Okay, let me pick up someone else whose camera is on. Maxwell, unmute yourself, Maxwell. I'm going to take some examples, okay? And I want someone to be responsive there. So who is going to take part in it? Maxwell, can you unmute yourself? Okay, can you turn on the camera? Whoever wants to participate in the response there. Okay, Maxwell, very good. And one more other student, whoever want to participate, I want you to turn on the camera. It's better if everyone can turn on the cameras. If you are not having a good camera or it's not supporting, that's fine. Okay, so Maxwell, what are we going to start today? What is the name of the topic? Can you please read out the name of the topic here, Maxwell?
Control flow if and else statements.
Palmer, can you also repeat the same name, dear?
If and else.
Very good. Okay, so we are going to learn about if and else statement. These are nothing but the conditions. Okay, now I have some questions there. Okay, if, okay, imagine that Maxwell and Palmer, you both of you went for a treasure hunt. Okay, you both are on a treasure hunt. Now when you are going for a treasure hunt, you know, you need to follow some map or some routes, right? You need to follow the map. Am I correct? Show me a thumbs up. Yes, you
Yes.
need to follow the map. Now here there was a condition that Maxwell and Palmer, you both have been going on your own way. Okay, you both are searching. Now the condition here is if the treasure hunt is found. If yes, you are going to turn left. Okay, if it's yes, you're going to turn left and you're going to say that treasure found. If it's no, You both have decided that you're going to turn right side. Right side is your home way. Okay, you're going to turn to the home. Okay, and you're going to say, oh no, we did not got a treasure. Oh no, treasure. Okay, so what is happening here? We got two conditions. What are the two conditions? Yes and no. If it is yes, you're going to have some statement, treasure found. If the condition is no, the second one, you're going to tell, oh no, treasure. Are you getting the point? Now, one more example here. It's for you, Palmer. If it's raining, what are you going to do? You want to go and play outside, but it's raining. Unmute and answer me, Palmer. You want to play outside in your park, okay, but it's raining. How are you going to play now? Maxwell, can you also?
No, maybe like no. No, you won't be able to
What
play
are you going to do if it's raining and you want to play outside?
You have to stay inside.
You have to stay inside. Okay, if someone else have some other responses, please do write it in the chat. You can also mention me in the chat. If it's raining, what all are the possible responses you are going to do? You want to play outside, but it's raining. So what to be done? Okay, Rebecca wrote wear a coat. Okay, you can have a coat. Put on a jacket. Very good. Use an umbrella. Very good. We are getting good responses there. Wear a boot. Wow, very good. We are getting many responses. So let's write a program on this. Okay. First of all, let me explain you what all responses we got here. We said that if it's raining, okay, if it's raining, we are going to take an umbrella. Okay, we can also have a coat there. You can also wear a jacket. We can also wear boots, right? So now let's write it down here in the Google Colab. Are you all able to see the collab there? Yes,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to write a program here. First of all, I'm going to create a variable weather. Okay, so let's see how is the weather there. So the weather is nothing but we are going to take an input from the user. And here we are going to write down how is the weather there. Input. And we are going to write down what is the weather. So how many types of weather do we have? Can you write it down in the chat? Weather. Okay, we have a rain. Very good answer, Palmer. So I'm going to write here if the weather is equal to rainy. Okay, as Palmer said rain, so I'm going to write here rainy there. Okay, we also have sunny, snow also. Okay, very good. Thunderstorm. Okay, very cool. Now, when we are writing this conditional statements, okay, everyone, there are some set of rules that you need to follow, which is nothing but indentation. We need to follow indentation. Indentation means spaces. Okay. Whenever you are writing if condition statement, at the end of your if condition, there will be a colon, the two dots, and the next line where you are going to write a statement, the print statement, you should give a space there. When you write a statement, make sure this space it's left empty. There should be some space left over here. Nothing should be there here. Okay, there should be some space here so that you do not get an error. So I wrote here if weather is rainy, at the end, as I said, you need to give a column, that is a two dots. And in the next line, make sure you're not starting it from the beginning. Okay, you're giving a space and then you're writing here print, and inside the print you are writing take an umbrella. Okay, and now whatever may be the weather. Okay, as I got many responses, let me write one more here. Now, more than one, if you have more than one condition, we use elif there. Elif, elif, the weather is equal to, now we got one more response. What was the other there? We got sunny. Okay, let me take here sunny. If the weather is equals to sunny, at the end, once again, give it two dots, that is the column there. Okay, and then if the weather is sunny, what should be done? Do we need to take an umbrella in the sunny weather also? No, I think
No.
we need to wear sunglasses there, right? We need to wear the sunglasses. I hope everyone are also doing that. I want everyone to do the same along with me, okay? Write down the code along with me, whatever I am writing here. Elif is when we have more than one condition, okay? When we have more than one options, you can say the condition, we use elif. Okay, see, when we are saying if it's raining, I got a response as one said to take an umbrella. Okay, the other person elif said to take a boots. I got one more response, elif to take something else, go on. But when we are coming to the last statement, when we are at the end of the statement, at that time we say else. Okay, so the statements can be multiple statements. How many you want, you can create using elif there. If elif, 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 how many times you have. But when you're coming to the end, at the end you need to say else. Okay, you need to say else at that time there. So if the weather is rainy, take an umbrella, elif. If the weather is sunny, you are going to have wear a sunglass. Okay, I forgot to write wear. So take a sunglass. One more condition. Okay, you give a few more things there. So Alif, I hope everyone are writing the code along with me. Someone said here, what were the other responses? We got rainy, we got sunny. Okay, we got snow also. Thunderstorm. Very good. Let's write here Alif if the weather is cloudy. Okay. Okay, if the weather is cloudy, we need to take a coat. Very good, Fifi. We need to give a colon at the end. Remember, everyone, the syntax. If you do not follow the syntax rules, the program will give you error. Okay, so if it's cloudy, let's wear a coat, as Fifi said, coat here. Let's get the coat there. Now, if you are done with all the conditions, you're left with nothing now. Okay, else, else, else will be the end of this condition. Then you're going to say, if the weather is very good, okay, we are just going to say print as enjoy a day, it's a good day. Let me run here and show you how does this works. So first of all, we the user need to give an input here. As we used input, so we need to type what kind of a weather is it. And whenever you're writing, make sure you write the exactly the same name. If you're writing the names in the capital, you need to write it in the capital. If it is in the smaller case, write it in the smaller case. Now, when you say that the weather is cloudy, so what happens here to the condition? First, it will go to the if and it will check whether the given condition is satisfied. No. Then it comes to the elif and checks whether the given condition is satisfied. No. Again, it comes to the next statement. If this condition is satisfied, it will come out of the condition. So I can show you with the help of a diagram here. Start. You're starting with a condition. Okay, it will go inside the condition. It will check the first condition. It checks the condition 1, the first condition. Is it satisfied? If the condition is satisfied, yes, it will exit the condition. It will come out of the condition. If this is not satisfied, if it is no, it will go to the second condition. If the second condition is satisfied, again it will exit here. If the second condition is also not satisfied, if it is no, it will go to the third condition. And what is your third condition? It is the last condition. So after this, there is nothing there. So obviously it needs to exit here. So for this third condition, we will be using here as if none of the condition is satisfied, it will directly come here to the third one and it will exit. Okay. So let me run this code and show you once again. If you're writing here rainy, sunny, cloudy, let's write thunderstorm. So do you think that thunderstorm is there somewhere here? It's nothing. It's not there. So what happens? It comes directly to the end of the statement and says enjoy the day. Because this is not a condition given in your conditional statement. Are you all able to understand it or no? Let me know in the chats, please. It's a bit confusing, but once you're able to understand, it's really very simple. It's not too complicated. Very good, marvelous. So what happens here? First, it starts with a condition. It goes to the first condition. If the condition is yes, it comes out of the condition, exits there. If no, it will move on to the condition number 2. If the second condition is satisfied, it will exit out of the condition. If the second condition is also not satisfied, it will come to the last else condition statement and exits the loop there. Okay, everyone? I want everyone to practice this on the collab and let me know if you are getting any error there. But make sure while you're writing the code, your spaces and your colons, the syntax are very important. You need to follow them. The syntax, this is very important. I want everyone to write it down in your
My
collab
code,
and check the
my
result.
code isn't working.
Is it giving you an error there?
Yes.
What error are you able to see, David? What is written in your error?
Syntax error.
Yes. So make sure once you check whether if and else all these two are giving a column,
I can't hear you.
you need to give a column and also you need to leave a space wherever you're writing a print.
Okay.
Just check this once, David. And still, if there is an error, let me know.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let me know if you're done with this one activity. I'm going to give you one more activity there. Okay, who knows cookies? Do you like cookies? You know how much time does it takes to make a cookie? Yes. How much time is it takes to make a cookie? Let's take 15 minutes, right? Let's understand that the cookies takes a time is 15 minutes there. Now, okay. Let me write here, not cookies, I will write here time. Time equals to 15 minutes, okay. Now, if the time it works, very good, David. If the time is equals to 10, okay. If the time is equals to 10, what can we think that we need at least 15 minutes. So there you can say that the cookies are raw. They are not done, right? The cookies are still raw. It's not done, okay? But elif, okay? Let's come to one elif. Elif, if it equals to 15, if it's exactly 15, we can say that the cookies are perfectly cooked, correct? So let me write here, the cookies are cooked. But, okay, now one more thing here, elif, Not elif. Let me close this by using else here. Else we are going to print as, oh no, the cookies are burned. Let's change this as, it's not equal. Let's compare it as if the time is less than 10. Okay. If the time is exactly equal to 15. Okay. Then only, or else it's going to say that the cookies are burnt. Do you have any questions, anyone? I hope everyone are practicing there in the collab there. How is it to be written? And when you run this program and check the output, it says that the time is 15 there. What is your error? Can you let me know your error? And I can't see your name. It says just a Zoom user. Remove the name, write down your name instead of Zoom user, write down your original name there. Okay, Onyx, you can share your screen. I'm sending in the chat, everyone. Look at the code. I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Yes, Onyx, share your screen, please. And let me know who are facing errors. You are go on giving the spaces. You shouldn't give too much of space. Can you come to the elif? Give a backspace before your elif, before E in the beginning, backspace. Very good. Come to the else also, similarly else. Give a backspace. Come to the first line, if also give a backspace there. So this three should be in the same line. Now run the program. I hope it's working fine now. Okay, once you're done, you can stop sharing. Is there anyone else who is facing error while executing the program?
I'm facing an error again.
Can you share the screen?
Okay.
Here, at the end of number 10, you forgot to give a colon. At the end, you need to give a colon. The two dots, no, you did not give it. Can you give two dots at the end, David?
Okay.
Colon. Same, you made a mistake after the end of the 15 also, this line also. You need to give a colon there. No, not there, the another 15 on your screen. Give a colon and then run the program, it will work.
Okay.
This is working, correct? Is there anyone else who is getting errors? Please share your screens. And whoever have completed it, give me a note in the chat whether you're done or not yet. Any questions, any errors, let me know. Let me share my screen once again so that you can look at what is the error you're facing. Okay, yes, spaces. You need to work on the spaces, your indentations. And those who have already completed, can you make one more control statement on your own using your own creativity? And once you're done, let me know. You're going to share the screen and show me what you have done there. Sindra, Fifi, and David, as you are already done, can you redo once a new code? Okay, where you're going to take your own examples. You can write down as homework. Okay, create a variable as in homework. Instead of weather, write homework input. Are you done with your homework? If your homework is equals to yes, print, we can go out and play. If homework equals to no, sit at home and complete your homework. Can you make one conditional statement, something like this? Come on, get started. Those who have already done, make this kind of a conditional statement.
What was the question again? I was trying to get something.
Okay, I was telling you about the homework. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to make a variable named homework, and you're going to say input is your homework done, is your work done. Then you're going to say if the homework is equal to yes, then you're going to print as you can go out and play, else, because we have only two now, so we will be taking else you're going to write down here as in the print, complete your homework,
Okay.
complete the work. Okay,
Okay.
it's not compulsory to be the same what I said you just now. If you feel that there is something else you can do, a bit more creativity, I appreciate and I want you to do it. Okay,
Okay.
the main focus is that you need to understand your if else condition statement. If there is anyone who wants to share the screen and show, write it down in the chat. I will allow you the permission and you can share it and show me the screen. And if you have any questions, not only from the today's class, okay, but from the previous classes, what all we have completed, write it down in the chat. We will solving that issues also. And when you're practicing at your home, I hope that you are also facing errors at that time as well. So whatever the errors you're getting when you're practicing, share your screens and show me. I will fix them. We will fix the errors. If you're getting errors when you're doing a practice at home also. Okay, Maxwell wants to share the screen. So I'm going to stop sharing. Let's see what did the Maxwell do. Okay. Yes, Maxwell. 1 second. I will allow you to share the screen. Yes, dear. You can share your screen, please, Maxwell.
The host disabled screen sharing.
Can you try it now? I have done it.
Oh.
Oh, wow. What you have done this? You wrote all of them in one. Okay. Okay, you have done correct, but you wrote everything in one code. Are you getting the point, Maxwell?
Yes.
Okay. Give me a permission. I have sent you. Click on access. Accept it. Did you accept it? Okay. Don't
Yeah.
click anywhere. Okay. I'm controlling your screen. Now, what you have done here is you made all the conditions in one and only. See, you wrote time, if, else. Okay. Once you are done with the else, from here, okay, from here, you can just can you see what I have selected there?
Yeah.
You need to write it in a new page. That is, you need to click on this code button. When you click on this code, you will get a new code there. There you need to write it down. Okay. And let me just scroll up again and check what else is there here from here. This is also in a new one. You wrote 3 to 4 programs in one and only. Okay, now when you click on run, it will work. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. I'm giving up the control. You can check this out. Okay. Check it out. Write down what is the season. Is there anyone else who wants to share the screen? Rebecca, can you please share your screen? Rebecca? Is there anyone who wants to share the screen and show me? Rebecca, Onyx, Fifi, can you share your screen and show me what work you have done? Those who have completed, share your screen and show me. Eddie, are you working or no? If you are getting any errors, let me know.
I'm done.
Okay. Share the screen and show me if you're getting any errors.
Okay, I tried to do a lot.
And okay. And also I'm sharing you the document where it shows you what all we have covered till now, what all topics are being discussed till now, so that not only now but after the class also you are going to practice the things. I want those who have missed the classes in between, I'm giving you the time, go through the document, read them, and let me know if there is any program or any line in the document which is not understandable, so that I can help you. I will be resolving all the questions there.
Okay, I'm trying to share now. Just give me a second.
Is there anyone who is having the questions? Okay, I can see. Very good. You created a good one. This is the screen of David. Everyone have a look at the screen of the David. Complete your homework before the time runs out. Very good. You need to match the answer correctly. So the time remaining also you gave some seconds there. And the first problem you have done the correct answer. And what about the second problem?
Okay, 5 times 15 is
Yes.
5 times 17 actually. Ooh.
Wrong. The correct answer is 85. Very good, but this is very good program which you have done. Did you do it on your own or you took an help of any parent there with you? Yes, David,
I took a little bit of help.
you took
A little bit of help.
a little bit help, but really this is very good. You made a good program. I appreciate it. Okay. Next, Rebecca, you can share your screen, Rebecca. If you're facing issue while sharing the screen, let me know. It's very easy. There will be a button share underneath the video. Click on the button share, select entire screen, and there will be a share button activated. Click on the button share and it shares your screen. If you want to share the screen but it's not allowing you, let me know. I will help you with the issue. Okay. If someone wants to share the screen, write it down in the chat. Now I have a quiz for you, everyone, and I want everyone to be attentive in the chat. Okay, I'm going to look after everyone. We are 10 plus. We are more than 10 in your meeting right now, and I want at least 10 responses there. So everyone look at my screen, and there is a first question. Read the question. There are 3 options. Write down the correct answer. Then read the second question. There are 3 options. Give this correct answer. Third question, read out 3 options. Give the correct answer. I want these 3 questions there. But make sure whenever you're writing the option, write down whether it belongs to the number 1, number 2, or number 3. So first one, correct answer. Second one, correct answer. And the third one, correct answer. Okay? Give the number. Which one answer is it, Edith? You just
Yeah.
wrote, yeah, you wrote just the option, but which one does it belongs to? Does it belongs to 1, 2, or 3? There are 3 questions on my screen and I want the answer for all the 3. Very good, marvelous. You have given the answer. Let's see whether it's a correct one or wrong. Okay. Okay, I got only 2 answers. Only 2 people, only 2 students, 3 students have answered that. 4. Come on, everyone. Write down your answers. Few more answers. I need few more people to respond. Michael, I can't see your answers. And David, your answers are also not there. What about Onyx? Onyx, your answers are also not there. This is very easy, not too difficult. Praise, your answer. I want everyone to answer me in the chat. Okay, I can see that most of you have given the first option as the A. What is the purpose of the print command in the Python? Is to print the statements on the screen. The second one, how do we store values in a variable in the Python? Few have given A, few have given B, confused, A, B, A, B, A, B. Let's see, A is the correct answer or no. Then the third one, given A equals to 19, B equals to 5. What are the values of A and B? Most of them have given the answer as C. The third one is C. Is it like you copied each other or you did on your own? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to submit this answer here. The third answer is the wrong answer. Those who have written C, it's a wrong answer. The first and the second one is the correct one, but not the third one. Any other guesses? Third one, if it's not C, because most of you have given C there. For the third one, I want some other answer. If it's not C, okay, we wrote B there. Okay, B. Why B? It's not saying you to move, no, it's A. See, if A is 19 and B is 5, the values should also be the same, right? Correct? Okay. Okay, last 2 more questions. There are 2 more questions there. Okay, not 2, but this last one. What is the result of the command print? Answer 15 in Python. How do you get the output? When you write print, answer in the quotations, comma 15. How do you get the output? Is it A, B, C, or D? If you wish, you can write this in your collab. Print answer 15 and see the result. What can be the result there? I said you to write it down and check. I can see you got B as an answer, most of you. Let's see. Yes, B is the correct answer. No, Rebecca, you wrote something else. I said you to write print answer 15 there. So B is the correct answer, everyone. Okay, let me stop sharing now. I hope everyone went through the document there that I have sent you. Yes, check the document. It includes all the topics which we have done from the class 1 till the today's class, and there are few more examples. Okay, what we have not discussed in the class, also there are some practice questions given to you there, so that you all are going to practice and practice it. Okay, and if you're still getting error when you're practicing them, please let me know so that we can fix it at the end of the session. At the end of the class, I will give you 5 to 10 minutes where we will be discussing on it. Okay? Yes, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So is there anyone who wants to tell something? Who wants to share? Give me a feedback about your class. How was it today? And what was it about? Did you understood it or no? Okay then, that's it for today. I hope you understood the class. Please go through the document, and any questions, let me know. So you have your public speaking instructor there. Bye,
Yeah,
everyone.
hello. Amina, sorry. Can you make me co-host, please?
Okay, fine, I will be.
Thank you
I
very
have already
much.
done it.
Oh, thank you, thank you. All right. Yeah. So, hello, everybody. I'll put my camera on in a minute.